part first. Question number 1 gives us two functions, f of x equals to 3x minus 1 and g of x equals to 3x squared minus 4. Now we have two separate functions in this question, and part A says evaluate g of -2. So first thing you need to know about functions is that in our case, for example, we're talking about the g of x1, x squared minus 4. G of x is your range, or in simpler words, output. X is your domain or input. Okay?
Okay.
So if they ask you to evaluate any function and they've given you the value of the domain, what you would do is you would just simply plug in the value in the function. So g of -2 would be 3 times -2 whole square minus 4, which equals to 3 times 4 minus 4, 12 minus 4, which is 8. So for this function, when x equals to -2, g of x equals to 8. Okay?
Okay.
Any questions about this?
No.
Okay. Now, the next part is solve f inverse x equals to -4. So for this part, we need to be able to find the inverse of a function. So firstly, f of x equals to 3x minus 1. So in order to find the inverse, first step is put f of x equal to y. So we write y equals to f of x, which equals to 3x minus 1. Okay? So if f of x and y equal to the same thing, then y equals to 3x minus 1. Okay? Now we have to basically make x the subject. That's your second step. Make x the subject. So in order to do that, you have to take everything on the other side. So this is our equation. First we do y plus 1 equals to 3x. And then we divide both sides by 3. So we get y plus 1 over 3 equals to x. Okay?
Okay.
Last step is to replace x with f inverse x and y with x. So basically, your f inverse function is x plus 1 over 3. Now, if you look at this function and the original one, what's the difference between both of them?
They're opposites of each other?
Exactly. By inverse, you mean the function of each term is changing in each equation. In the original one, 3 was being multiplied to x, now it's being divided. In the original 1 was being subtracted, but now it's being added. Okay?
Okay.
So, and then, wait, they're asking us to solve f inverse x for -4. So what we do is we equate -4 to f inverse x. So -4 equals to x plus 1 over 3. -4 multiplied by 3 equals to x plus 1. -12 minus 1. And we have -13 as the value of x. Clear?
Yeah.
Okay. Then part C is asking us about composite functions. F of G of 2. Okay. So for that, let's go over here. F of G of 2. So basically, in this case, what's happening is that initially for f of x was your domain, right?
Yeah.
But now for f, it's g of 2, that's the domain.
Okay.
Okay. So if we go back to the first, what that was negative 2. Okay. So first what we do is we replace the x in g of x with your domain, which is 2. So we do g of 2 equals to 3 times 2 whole square minus 4, which will equal to 8 again, right?
Right.
Now, what we do is we make 8 the domain of the f function. So f of 8 would equal to 3 times 8 minus 1, which is 24 minus 1, that's 23. So basically, this is your value of f of g of 2. Any questions about this?
No.